Easy lang pala. Good morning. As in super early. 6 o'clock in the morning. Sunday. Special day today. We have YVS with us. Direk Jan. It's our first collab again for this year. Nandito siya. Thank you for the sponsorship, YBS Productions. So, ang quality ng shoot nito is world class, no? So, for today's episode, we are in the SLK of Rocky. Kagabi lang niya hinatid yung coaching to sa bahay. So, nag-swap kami ulit. Kinuha niya yung Range Rover. Then, iniwan niya to kasi today merong event sa BGC, Sports Cars for a Cause. So I think it's their 7th year already. So yearly ginagawa nila to. They bring in all the sports car in Metro Manila. So they invite all the leading car clubs at nagagather sila ayan, here in BGC. It's a charity event, no? And SLK Club of the Philippines, doon tayo magpo-focus. Sumali tayo first time. So, it's free naman as long as you have an SLK, you can join the group. The group SLK is very much alive, kaya natuwa ako. Ever since nung na-shoot natin tong SLK na to, this 2013 SLK, yeah, tinroll ko na yung mga groups na yun. And apparently, the group is alive. So, every now and then, meron silang mga run. Pupunta sila, nag-meet sila. So, tapos nakita ko na sumali sila dito sa event na to ng BGC. And they are inviting all SLK club owners. So yun, I sent them a DM. Tapos yun, binigyan tayo ng slot, may parking tayo mamaya. And may pass. That's why we are here today. Anyway, I don't know what to expect. I want to meet all the SLK club owners. Dahil nga alive sila. And ngayon, meron tayong SLK. And we are privileged enough that si Rocky, pinapahiram naman niya yung kotse niya. Sabi ko, this is the perfect time to make a video of the car. Diba? Kasi may slot yung SLK doon, club. So why not? So, ingress lang tayo BGC. Set up lang kami ni Direk ng a better camera. Kasi right now we are using the DJI. Kasi nga wala maaga masyado, no? 6 o'clock in the morning. Good morning, see you later. Alright, so we are here, naka-ingress na 6:30 in the morning and we have the club. Dami. Ilan na yan? Hindi ko pa binilang eh. But again, ang maganda sa club ng SLK, buhay sila. I was talking to some of the owners. Every month pala, meron silang run. So, may meet sila, they go to Tanay, wherever they drive. So, that's why I got very interested. Kasi nga live.
Yung SLK Club, we're talaga one of the busiest na
Kaya nga, yung nakita ko yung page yun,
like every month.
active to eh. Every month may happening ah.
Oo, may happening.
Kaya nga this time sabi ko, sali na kami. Tapos hopefully every month, sali na rin. Sayang eh.
Yeah.
MC20, Maserati, first on the line. Ganda, no? Dito sila. So, loving the color. Ito yung isa sa pinunta ko dito, the Exotics. The McLaren. Bata nag-drive, oh. Then, here comes the Porsches. Ganda na tuloy ng McLaren. Ay, ilang kaya to, no? Yung following talaga na may yata is really alive. Sila yung pinakamarami dito so far. So, we are in the middle. Parang 1 kilometer siya eh, no? The whole thing. From tayo, pangalawa, first would be the old schooler, then the SLK Club, tapos the Mayata, the off-road, I think the supercars dito, pero they're not yet complete. Siyempre, laging late ng mga yan. Busy, nagbi-meeting, di ba? Tara, Direk, Dawid, doon na tayo sa mga kaibigan kong supercars. Hello? Dala mo? SLK kami, club.
Okay, dami
Ito
na.
dala. Dami. Ay, kalay.
Nice to meet you.
May 124 din siya. Fan siya ng 124 and he loves the black.
I love the black. Kaya anong ginawa mo all black? Sabi ko, ganyan yung gusto kong gawin dati, talagang all black.
Oo. So nakuha niya na, na-buyback niya.
nakuha natin ulit. Actually, good story kasi yung may-ari, di ba hanap ako nahanap eh, hinahanap ko sa forums yan lagi. Sabi ko, anyone see this car? May nag-message sa akin, sabi niya,
Galing, no?
"Ikaw ba yung dating may-ari nito?" Sabi ko, yeah. Sabi niya, gusto mo ulit kunin? Sabi ko, sige magkano? Sabi niya, bigay ko na lang sa'yo.
Oh?
Ito libre pare.
Pero, so ito yung kotse ni Archie of Second Skin, the C63. Naka-air suspension. Ito mo yung mags. Ganda. Ang lalim ng dish niya. So ito yung kotse hindi niya bibitawan. Galing, Benz lover. So friend natin yan. Even before Second Skin pa siya, nag-rap na dati yan pero hindi pa Second Skin. Yung Everest natin, pinagawa natin sa kanya before. Tapos one day, alam ko yung story yan eh. Niyaya siya ng one of his friends na may supercar sa run. Tapos na wrap niya yung isang kotse. Tapos nun, after nun, naging Second Skin na. Na-capture niya, hindi niya na binatawan. Galing. And right now, he has the Auto Complex. Hindi pa natin napupuntahan yun. Schedule namin minsan. So we are on the last part of the venue. Actually ito, laki pa. Puro supercars dito mamaya. Maaga pa kasi, 7 o'clock. And may mga SLK din pala. Pero hindi ko alam kung kasali sa group natin or a different group. BRZ group, mga Hapon. Dito naman. Mga legend of the 90s. Mga Japanese dito sa dulo. MRS Club siguro. Puro MRS eh. Actually, ngayon ako nakakita ng mga MRS. Tama, puro MRS oh. All together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About mga 10 na MRS. Ganda, no? So, welcome to Tokyo. Ay, di pala. BGC lang pala. So, dito sa dulo, mga 86. 86 pa to, 86, the Nissan. Ganda. Pero the majority talaga, pinakamarami so far talaga yung Miata. No? Wild no Miata. Napakalakas ng following. So ito, makikita niyo yung mga setup for the 86, for the Subarus. Ito, naka-Baris kits. May following din. Tsaka busog din lahat. Normally kasi pag ganito, busog talaga eh, no? All out talaga ito. Tama yung carbon ito. Ito na yung mga first car na mga college ngayon tsaka high school, no? Ganito. Panahon namin ni Direk, hindi. Second hand eh, hand me down. Ito maganda rin ang pagkakasetup. Yung setup itong puting to, gustuhan ko. Gustuhan ko yung wing niya sa likod. So balik na tayo doon sa lungga natin. And let's take pictures with the group. Ito yung group nila, ang galing. We're back here in Mayata spot. Ang ganda ng libre na to, no? With the racing heritage, the number, tapos sa off-road scene. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang off-road. Off-road sa atin, sikat na sikat. Ang dami nag-off-road. Tsaka mahal ang mga off-road, yung mga pinagkakabit dyan. Ito naman yung mga rigs, yan ang uso ngayon, mga overland. Alam mo, pataasan ng condominium sa taas ng kotse mo. Pero comfortable dyan. Tsaka ngayon, may mga aircon na, again, no, the technology nowadays. Yung mga battery power supply nila can last up to several days. Yan, ito yung setup ngayon dito sa atin. Kaya ang daming shops na emerging shops for the 4x4 scene. Complete with everything. Ah? Ito yung shoot natin sa Manila Auto Salon before yung LC na by Overland Kings, the blue one. Pinalitan niya yung mags, oh. Dati naalala ko yung may red eh. Ngayon, Black Rhino na. So, pagandahan ng setup, camping setup. Ganda! Ito yung Sisters of Mary School. Yeah. So, it's a charity event again, if you forgot. So, lahat to nandito for the charity of Sisters of Mary School, for the students nila. No? Bigger funds. Again, the community is getting big naman. As you can see with the SLK Club, dumadami sila. I was speaking with the owners kanina. Dati, nag-start lang daw sila, 2. The founders I was speaking kanina, 3 lang sila. But then, consistent, month-on-month, they make sure na may event sila. Tapos, they plan everything ahead of time. 2 months, 3 months. Ganda ng LC, oh. So, kaya lumaki ng lumaki. Ganda ng LC na to. So, this is the 4x4 group. Konti lang sila. Kasi the theme of the whole event is more on sports cars. So we just had the picture of the group of the wonderful SA Club family. Growing, ang dami na. Then the old schoolers are still coming in. Cars are still coming in. 7:30. Bagal lang oras ah. Parang kanina, 7 lang ah. So ito yung mga Beetle to, wild oh. Post-apocalypse setup oh. Ito ba yung setup ito? Diba? Ayun, merong parang Porsche na Beetle, ewan ko. O ito, kuna mo. Pakinggan mo. Raw na raw. Spider. Net. Air-cooled. Malamang air-cooled pa yan. So we have a couple of minis coming in. Dito halo-halo na siguro. May Lambo, may mga supercars. Then we have a rally spec Celica over there. Yan, so people are still coming in. Let's see ano yung final na itsura. Ito, maganda yung parking yun. Ito, this was my car. Actually, nung high school, ito kotse ko. Naalala mo? Celica. So, naka-Celica tayo noon. That was my first... Ha? Hindi. Puti. Yeah, puti. So, galing kay dad. Binigay niya sa akin. So, reminiscing. Pero ito, ginawa niya, the rally setup. Siyempre, Celica, kilala with the rally heritage. GT4. Tara! Coffee bean. Sobrang, I'm really exhausted. Medyo napagod tayo dun eh, ha? Ha? Punta lang ako sa main sponsor ko. Ice coffee lang tayo. Pahinga lang. Let's go direct. So, we are back here sa SLK Club. Time update. 8. Ang bagal ng oras, grabe. Feels like 10 o'clock. Pero alas 8 pa lang. 8:20 to be exact. Medyo napupuno na. Kaya it's very nice to see. Pakita mo naman, Derek, na napupuno na yung mga parking. Kanina, medyo di pa. So ngayon, mas maganda because everyone's starting to come in. So focus na tayo ulit sa, of course, sa group natin. Meron na tayong shirt. Ganda ng shirt nila. Philippines and the German flag. Gen 1. As I've mentioned a while ago, 3 generations lang ang SLK. That's why it's very desirable. So we have the first gen here. Designed by the famous Bruno Sacco. Ito yung itsura niya. Kung makikita nyo, medyo boxy pa, di ba? Malalaki pa yung headlights. Tapos it's very, very short comparing with the other models. This one has the compressor engine. So, supercharged, no? At yung likod nito, ayan, squarish. This is the SLK 200. So, 2.3 liter inline 4 supercharged. Ito ang presyo nito ngayon, ayan, you have the white one in front of you. Of course, known for the top down. Low 500, high 900. So nag-hold ng value nito. If you're looking to purchase one, the Gen 1, ito ang pinaka-affordable. But this is one of the most desirable kasi Gen 1 siya. Ito yung likod niya, kung papansin nyo, maiksik talaga comparing with the other models. So ayun, this is the Gen 1. Ito yung itsura niya. Do you guys like it? Ako, trip ko. 90s na 90s, 1996 onwards. So this is a 90s car. Ayan. Tapos wala na sila nung hood dito, naka-embed na sa hood. Wala na yung nakalabas. So, punta tayo sa Gen 2. Hanap tayo ng magandang Gen 2 para makita nyo yung difference. Done with the Gen 1, we are now with the Gen 2. Kalimutan ko lang anong year model nag-start eh. 2009 ba? Up to 2012. Not sure. Pero ito na yung itsura niya. So you can see, ibang-iba. Compared sa Gen 1, ang layo na ng talon. Specifically for the nose. No? So hindi na siya squarish. Medyo pahaba na siya. And what I like about the Gen 2 is yung malaking logo niya dito na vents. So para siyang, to my eyes, para siyang SLR. No? Tapos kitang-kita yung haba ng hood niya with this generation. Ayan, you can see naman, di ba? So totally different from the Gen 1. Mukha na siyang modern. Parang modern na siya. Yung Gen 1 kasi medyo may classic pa. So, ito, ang ganda ng disc brake niya. Naka-ventilated disc brakes. I'm not sure if stock, pero ang ganda naka-ventilated. Butas na. Tapos we have the Mercedes-Benz logo, calipers. Of course, basta SLK, it's a roadster, it's a top-down. Then this one, maganda yung engine nito. SLK 350, so 3.5 liter. We got a big block here. V6. That's why quad exhaust. So, comparing dun sa Gen 1 na likod with this one, mas trip ko lang yung Gen 1. Yung medyo pizza pa ng konti yung likod. Ito kasi medyo slick na. Pero, I love the quad exhaust. Gusto ko yan, if you know me. And from the inside, ayan, lumalabas na. Dumadami na yung buttons. The interior of this one is very, very nice. Red, no? Pag sports car, dapat red talaga ang loob niyan. Dumadami na, medyo nagiging complicated na direct, no, kung nakikita mo. Compare natin dun sa Gen 1. Ito, Gen 2 pa rin. Yung loob ng Gen 1, very 90s. Simply, big aircon vents, minimal buttons, big buttons. Ito, lumiliit na yung butones. Nakakatawa lang, oh, ayan, no? You see the transition, no? So that's a Gen 2 for you. Doon tayo sa Gen 3, yung dala natin. Siyempre, doon tayo sa kotse natin. Teka lang, before going to our car, this is the Gen 2. Tama, Gen 2. V8 kasi. So AMG, siguro ito yung V8, ito yung AMG variant since V8. Grabe to. Ito rare. Premium. SLK, yeah. Oo, iba yung tambucho na dito. 4 ang exhaust. So, ito, grabe to. This is a very big boy. V8 siya. Para lang makita nyo, meron ding AMG trim. So, mas mataas pa than the standard, than the V6. So, kasi ganun ang Benz, no? Merong mga inline 4 lang, turbos, merong V6, 3.5, meron ding diesel na nilagay nila sa SLK. Tapos meron ding V8, yung top of the line. Ito yun. I think we have 2. I think V8 din to eh. So, on to our car here. Siyempre, the reason why we are here, Rocky, thank you so much. First time natin nadala ang SLK natin sa event. And what better event than this one, Manila Sports Club. Sports cars for a cause. No? Again, kay St. Mary. So this is the 3rd generation. Ang kotse natin, someone's revving really loud. Bawal yun. Pero this one is a 2013. So ito na ang itsura niya. Kung ikaw compare nyo sa 2nd generation, nag-iba na naman siya. Pero this one, mas naging, for me, the 2nd generation, negro aggressive pa yung harap eh. Tama direct, di ba? Ito, kung titignan mo, mas naging more simple, but then mas mahaba yung harap. Ito yung gusto ko dito, modern na. Tapos yung harap, kinda looks like SLS for me. Alam mo yung SLS? Parehong-pareho sila ng mukha. So that's the 3rd generation and the last generation of the Mercedes-Benz SLK. So now is the time to buy one kasi stop production na, obsolete na, hindi nagagawa niyan. Prices will continue to rise up. As you have seen dito sa group ng SLK Club Philippines, dumadami na members. Grabe, it's one of the most active clubs in the Philippines for Mercedes-Benz is the SLK Club. Kaya nga ginanahan tayo sumali. So, back to the car. This is a 3rd generation. Ang dala natin is the 200 compressor. Ibig sabihin, 2 liter lang siya. So, mas lumiit na yung engine natin compare with the 2.3. Pero it's a turbocharge. So, modern. Again, panahon ngayon, mga turbo na, mga compressor na mga engine. This one has the turbo. Kaya kanina, while we were driving with Derek, natutuwa siya sa hatak kasi very responsive. All of these cars are rear-wheel drive to make it more exciting. So horsepower nito, mga almost 200 horsepower. So, nag-request si Derek, i-sample daw natin yung top-down. Siyempre, binibili yung SLK because of the top-down. So, pakitaan natin kayo. Ito yung susi. Yan. So as you can see, bumubukas yung likod, magtatago. Then, papunta na, magsasara na. Mga less than 10 seconds yan. It should fully close. Along with the mirrors. You can hear everything locking in, tightening the whole place. Tapos baba natin ulit. Opening it up. Pupush mo lang ulit yung button dito on the center console. It should take less than 10 seconds. So the car will transform. No? Baba natin yung window. Yan. So you can see, the top is working. So again, if you're interested, this car is for sale.
Asking is 1.9. We only have 28,000 kilometers sa coaching to. Bata-bata, hindi ginamit. If you're not sure, if you don't remember, first owned tong coaching to, lady driven, lady owned. His and her sila ng asawa niya. So this is 40, ibig sabihin 40-year anniversary nila gift. Binili ng asawa niya to sa kanya. Tapos ang biyahe nito is village and golf lang. Kaya that's why the mileage is really, really low. Ang loob nito, very modern na, very much E-Class sa C-Class. Tapos yung gauge nito, silver ang ganda, sporty na sporty. You can see direct, this is what I love about this one is the gauge cluster, very sporty. Tapos ang taba ng steering wheel, ang sarap hawakan, no? So yeah, so that's the SLK Club for you. All 3 generations. I hope nakita nyo na. Kaya maganda SLK kasi 3 lang. Hindi magulo. So you only have 3 variants to choose from basically. So it's up to you kung anong gusto mo. For me, I like the second gen in this one. Kasi ito, modern. So medyo sports car na talaga yung feeling mo, no? So, cars are coming in, napupuno na lahat. Kunin namin ni Direk each class ano yung favorite car namin. For example, sa SLK dito, ano favorite namin. Tapos sa old school, ano favorite namin. Sa mga supercar, ano favorite namin. Para makita nyo lang yung preference namin. So, sa SLK Club, what I like most about sa entries dito, no? Siyempre this one. The second generation, AMG V8. Kasi V8, ba't ko gusto? Tsaka yung itsura na, sporty na sporty. You've got the AMG mags, the ventilated disc, the V8. Kasi AMG, sporty na sporty. So, German na German, this car. So, ito ang pinakagusto ko na entry dito sa group. Kung sino man yung owner, shout out to you, sir. You have a very nice car. And appreciating value. So, let's head over to old school. So, here in the Beatles Club or Classics, Beetle Club muna. Kasi puro Beetle. Konti lang naman sila. What I like most, actually ang hirap mag-isip. There's a beautiful top down here na fully restored. Pero, ang trip ko talaga ito. This one, to my eyes, I'm really liking this car. Pati na, tama meron pa siya oh. May pa I just like the attitude, Tapos, ayun oh. Kasi post-apocalypse theme eh. Diba, direct? May daga. Ayun Tapos we have may mga spikes, if you can see, post-apocalypse. So, anong pelikula yun? Anyway, may sikat na pelikula na post-apocalypse cars. So, ganun yung nabavibe ko sa kanya. With Mad Max, parang ganun. With a complete setup, na meron siyang camping here. So, pinag-isipan. I like everything about the car. Ayun tamo, ang dumi sa loob, ang gulo. Ganun talaga style niya eh. So, very simple. Pero siya lang yung nag-stand out for me kasi post-apocalypse style lang ginawa niya. And being a Volkswagen, 1960s, diba? 1950s pa ata. Hitler's car. So, kaya yun. Doon tayo sa... Let's head over to old school. Yeah, top choice. So, on to the old schooler of the Philippines, siyempre, we own one. Di pwedeng di natin ilabas. So, our top choice for sa old school is this one. Siyempre, pay tribute for the Lancer box type. I think this is the GT. Basing lang dun sa bumper niya, no? So, ang ganda lang talaga, sobra box na box. Lancer na Lancer, everything is stock. Stock lang siya, oh. Napakaganda. Tapos what I love about the GT is itong rear duck spoiler. Very Benz, very 80s. Diba yung Benz natin, ganyan din. Halos, almost. So with the rubber bumpers, ang ganda na pagkaka-restore nito. Pero pan Diamond, Mitsubishi Diamond kasi. So yeah, konti lang naman sila dito, but this one would be my top choice. Ang linis ng gawa. Preserve na preserve, at ginagamit, mukhang ginagamit. No? Very beautiful. So we are here in the exotics line. So mga supercar, just in front of the SLK group. So what we like most, Lamborghini muna. This one, the Performante, bihirang-bihira. Loaded with forged carbon. Kaya ako siya nagustuhan kasi sa mga forged carbon niya. Ayun, no? Dito sa harap. If you look closely, makikita mo yung forged carbon. Ang ganda lang kasi comparing with the regular carbon. No? Tapos sa likod, mas marami. Sorry. So sa back, yung wing niya, although the wing is not that big, sakto lang, pero it's forged carbon. If you look closely, ma-appreciate mo siya. Kita mo direct. And dito, di ba ang ganda ng forged carbon, no? That's why this is my pick for the supercars. And we have the Rift exhaust, so aftermarket na yata yan. And tinan mo yung engine bay niya, naka-forged carbon din. Ganda, no? I'm not sure kung V8 to or probably V6 na twin turbo. I'm not really sure. But this performante, and sa loob, naka-forged carbon din, yung mga aircon vents. Along with the suede interior na may red stitching, pati upuan naka-red stitching because sports car, supercar. And yung brakes niya, naka-carbon ceramic ata. Look how massive the brakes are. Diba? So for the Lamborghini line, this is my pick for the top choice natin. Then, isa pa would be ito. Choice ni Derek, yung McLaren daw, diba? We have the 620R here. Ito, mas bihira makita to mga McLaren sa atin, diba? Talagang sa mga meets mo lang nakikita to. First time I've seen one in person also. We've got the 620R, so loaded with carbon. Tignan mo yung harap, may Gunards. So which screams, this is all about racing, this is all about performance. And ang maganda rito, meron siyang active na roof scoop, yung na-mention mo kanina. Ano to? Tinatanong ni Derek, ano daw to? So this is the roof scoop. Angin, papasok sa loob, papunta sa engine. Para to give the engine more air. Tapos din naman yung vents na dito, sa gilid, butas. So again, this is for the aerodynamic. Lahat, everything is papasok sa engine to give it more performance. And with that nice badging, the 620R. So ito rin, meron pa. Diba butas yung vents dito? This is again for the brakes naman. Para nga pag pumapasok, diretso sa brakes. Galing, no? Everything is made for performance. Carbon. Pakita nyo yung difference ng regular carbon sa forged carbon. Pero ito, loaded ng carbon. Then, I love this wing that screams 620R. DDE na DDE. If you know DDE, I watch their shows. So, doon ako na-inspire sa mga ganito. Tsaka ang lapad niya. This is wider, the back is wider than the Lambo. Tapos, we've got the Rift exhaust also. So, aftermarket na rin. Tapos, look at that rear diffuser, that huge diffuser. I don't know kung stock yung mga yan, but this is the first time we've seen a 620R McLaren. Ganda. Tapos, iconic sa kanila yung taillights na ganyan, yung ganyang itsura. No? But I love the side vents. Talagang active aero, everything. So, we are here in the Mayata section. Ngayon, 9 o'clock. So, puno na. Kita nyo, sila yung pinakamaraming entry. Sorry guys, pero ngayon lang namin nakita. So, meron siyang magandang presentation dito with the Yossi. Hapon na hapon. Ayun, Midnight Club, Garage. With the Japanese plates. Siyempre, the Takatas. Ayun, may mga ano po, may mga racing. Naman sa loob. May mga racing, natawag dyan, buttons. Ganda ng kulay niya, glittery, purple. No? Japan na Japan, no? Kaya Mayata talaga, there's a strong following. Mayata here in the Philippines, those watching abroad, napakalakas na Mayata Club dito, very much alive. Ito, medyo naka-wide body ng konti. I love the color. Parang midnight purple. So this is Derek's top choice. Top choice po? Ngayon lang namin nakita. So ako yung top choice ko naman nandun. So this is my top choice. Ito yung nakabukas yung hood. Hindi ko lang alam anong generation, anong year model. Pero this type, gustong gusto ko. Kasi para siyang to my eyes, parang medyo RX-7 ng konti. 'Di ba? Tapos I love yung ginawa niya meaty tires with the BBS. I like the design. Ito, naka-open yung hood niya. Ito mo yung hood niya. Dock siya na inline 4. Inline pala siya, patagilid. Teka lang, let me take a picture lang. Kasi binuksan na may-ari yung hood niya. Pop the hood. Mayroon pang signature. Auto X eh? Auto X? I don't know kung ano yun. Ito talaga pang show car with the signatures. Puro signature. Merong socks. So, ang gusto ko rin, 20th anniversary, nakalagay. Tapos what I like about this one is yung wing. Siya lang yung may wing na ganito. Di ba? Mapapansin mo sa Miata. Ito. Voltex Racing. Suzuka, Japan. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng wing niya. Oh, he's part of the Titans Manila. Yung Titans Club Manila, known yan for the sports car. So, part din siya ng underground JDM, PH, sikat na group yun. Here in the Philippines. So yeah, for the Miata, this is my pick. Ganda, and the color, I forgot to mention, yellow. And meron pa siyang Ganards. So which gives that race feel. Racing na racing, di ba? At ito pa, we've got the racing toe. Oh, nice, di ba? So let's head over again, doon naman sa part 2 ng mga exotics. Ayan, GTR, blue. On the exotics naman, part 2. Sobrang dami exotics kasi nga sports cars for a cause. So, puro supercar. So, we have a GTR. Ang ganda ng kulay. Kami ni Derek, we have the same opinion. It caught our eye instantly. Maraming GTR dito, but this is for us the best. Yung kulay, no? Yung blue niya talaga nagpa-pop. Tapos parang naka-aftermarket na bumper siya. Very sleek, walang mga badge, walang nakalagay na kahit ano. But it's very sleek. Kung makikita nyo, here, talagang yung kulay nag-stand out. Tapos yung mugs niya, sobrang laki ng mugs. It's running on R21s. Tapos 325s. Ay, iba, sa likod 325, sa harap 285 na 2130. Ang nipis, sobrang low profile pero ang lapad. Yan, dito sa likod, it's even wider. It's running on, asala, hold on. Ito, 325. 25, grabe. Ang nipis nun, pero ang lapad. So, the size is 21. Ang lapad ng goma na to. Ito yung likod. Mas maganda pa yung likod niyan. As you can see, sobrang walang mga badge na nilabas. Only the GTR, of course. And yung diffuser niya, yung rear bumper, ang ganda. With those massive quad pipes. Ganda siguro ng tunog yan. So, this build, very nice. Talagang nag-stand out siya. The Porsche Killer. Puro Chinese. So here in the dulong part, in the MRS Club, meron. This is our favorite. Slam. Tignan mo gaano ka-slam siya. Alam mo, tsaka feeling ko dito direct, stand yan, fix. I don't think it's running on air. Feeling ko fix siya na ganyan. Tama mo, gaano ka pasok ko. Saktong-sakto. This is I think 13s or baka smaller pa. Ganda ng mugs. So I respect the build. It's very clean. Diba? Red lang siya. Tapos in-slam lang niya. Tapos yung likod. Tignan mo yung camber sa likod. So this car is standing out. Respect for the build. Ayun, no? Tama yung likod niya. Grabe. Ang galing ng pagkakagawa. Tapos yung loob ng MRS, parang SLK na ano nga, yo. First gen. Ayun, pag 90s talaga eh. Huge buttons pa. Minimal buttons. Yan, so for the club, this is one of the best builds for us. Nice, no? Parang baby Porsche, baby Boxer. If you cannot afford a Boxer, oh, dito ka, MRS. Hanapin natin yung RWB. Here's pala the owner, sorry. I didn't get your name. Patrick Caloy. So, running on air, suspension. Ang galing. So, sumasayad yung likod, hindi?
Oo, pag naka-drop,
Pag naka-drop. Pero yung riding height niya, okay lang naman.
okay lang.
Ang galing, ano? This is anong year model to?
1999.
1999. Kaya 90s pa. I love your build, sir. Kaya furniture namin. Respect. Thank you. So, meron pa palang ano, parade. Galing, galing. Overall, the event is really nice. So, hindi magulo, very calm, saya lahat ng tao, dami pumunta, dami nag-participate. So, meron pa silang paparade. Di ko lang alam kung ito yung school na St. Mary. Pero yan, parade for you guys. St. Mary ba? Sa school kayo? Ito, St. Mary yan. Ito yung school na ini-sponsoran natin. Hi kayo sa camera. So this is St. Mary's School. Ito yung the reason why we are all here is because of them. Automotive course, kunin nyo ha. So the car culture in the Philippines is really growing. Tsaka it's capturing young audience already, no, because of social media. Oh. We have here, oh, the future car guy. Ganda ng laruan mo ah. What car do you like best? Do you have a pick already? Supercar? Lambo? Ferrari? Too many to choose from, right? Maserati, oh. Ay, hanap ha, Maserati. Thank you. Video mo. We have Mr. Michelin here. Hello. So the event is complete with mascots and everything. Rolling. Ito yung inaantay kong one of the supercars, the best supercars for me, habang andito, is the GT40. That car, 100 million ata yun, if I'm not mistaken, no? The price tag ito. Made famous yung sa movie. The GT40. Nice. At least naabutan natin. So medyo last sila dumating. Pero yan yung isa sa mga gusto kong makita dito sa event. And the event didn't disappoint again. So this happens every year guys. Next year, come over here. If you're a car enthusiast, makikita mo lahat ng kotse yung gusto mo. Ayan o. The Ford GT. Hanip na kotse to. Very iconic. Ganda oh. So, direct. Ito rin ata yung top choice ko. Pareho sila, basta Ford GT. Yung higher model kanina. And this one, yung mas luma. Walang sinabi mga Lambo dyan. Off the bat, may Cobra. Replica siguro, no? With the side exhaust. Paso ka dyan, pag bumaba ka dyan. Nakakapaso yan. Shelby, no? Ito, mga classic. I think this is Richard's car. Yung Super Carrera na 1979. Ito, tama, sa kanya to. Sumali ng Tour de Cebu. Yung recent na Tour de Cebu last February ata or January. So 1,000 kilometers yun sa Cebu, babiyahe sila. Mga sports car. This car kasali. This belongs to our friend. Shout out Richard. This is his car. 1979. Kasi yung year birth niya, 79. Kaya daw niya kinuha to. So ito yun. So this car survived a 1,000 kilometer journey in Visayas. So dito naman, mga Aston Martin, mga V12, James Bond line, pick your color, kung anong gusto mo. Ito, the orange standing out to my eyes. Merong mga 4 na Aston Martins. So ito naman mga wild wraps decals sa mga Porsche. Nila second skin din yan, if I'm not mistaken. Sila Archie, gawa rin nila yan. One group. Pa yun, no, second skin yan. Ito yung sinasabi niya kanina, lalagyan ng sticker. So this is a job of our friend Archie with the wild decals. Ganda, no? Ito pa, yung isa pa. Second skin also. This is even wilder than this one. Nice livery. Ito na yung mga RWB. Yan, isang hilera sila. So, the star of the show, si Angie King is here. That's why the line, nagpapas autograph sila with the famous Angie King. Yung who started car culture probably in the Philippines. Wild. So, yung mga RWB, dala niya. It's her group. Singit na ako. So, ito yung latest build niya. Ito. Ngayon ko lang din nakita in the flesh. Yung may pink na mugs. Do you like the pink accents? Ganda rin, ano? And this is her car. Yung the famous Philippine flag livery. So yan, ngayon ko lang din nakita. Ganda, slam. Grabe yung pagka-slam naman ito. So that's the event for you. Happy to have brought our SLK in the event. I believe this is the first time this car participated in a car show. Car show na rin to or car event. And very happy to have met the group SLK Club of the Philippines. As you can see, the members are growing, the group is growing, dumadami ang members nila. So, a lot of SLK owners participated in this event, Sports Cars for a Cause. Ang ganda ng event actually. Lahat ng coaching maisip mo, makikita mo rito, exotics, classics, vintage, Japanese, kanya-kanyang builds. They have their own styles, their own personalities. So may inspire ka, very humbling. So it's really nice to participate in one. Sulit ang gising namin ni Derek. More to come because the SLK Club is very much active. Again, every month they have an event. They do this fun runs. They gather in one event. So probably sali tayo ulit. And that's very good experience. I'm happy. I'm very happy. Ang dami kong nakitang, it's the first time I've seen so much exotics in my life in this event. So, and it's a charity. Ang pinaka-importante, charity event yun. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the episode. If you need any video productions, thank you YVS. Kung kailangan nyo anything to do with videos, shooting, editing, contact YVS. Professionally done. So thank you for watching.